I have 3 cups of mixed nuts in this bowl. I have all kinds of stuff. You can use whatever nut you want. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of maple syrup. And let's do half a teaspoon of turmeric. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked, regular is fine. We'll do half a teaspoon of curry powder. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper to this. You can use any ground chili or none if you don't want the spice. So let's do a quarter teaspoon. Salt and pepper. Now we'll mix these well. We want everything to get coated. I have an oven that's preheating at 325 Fahrenheit, which is 160 centigrade. I line my baking sheet with some aluminum foil. You can use parchment paper if you want. These are gonna go in the oven for max 20 minutes. I'll check them at 15 and see if they're toasted and fragrant. I'll bring them out. These were in the oven for 17 minutes and I really wish you could smell this. It smells spectacular. These are very nice. They will keep in a closed container for about a week if they last that long. But they're healthy, they're easy to make, and they're great. All those nuts and all the properties of all the spices that we put in there. Wow. You got sweet, you got salty, you got smoky, you got a little spice, you got a little curry. Oh my gosh, these are very nice. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.